Hey, what's up, everyone? Welcome back to Ignorant Money Club. I wanted to give you all an update on what's going on with tZERO. Love talking about the company, talking about the movement. I follow it on a daily basis, so of course I always want to keep you all updated on the latest news so that you can make the best decisions about how you do your research when it comes to tZERO. Or just give you some good informative tips that I know when it comes to the company and the projects that they have going on. So tZERO pretty much had what I consider a great week. We went from low fours last week to recovering all the way up as high as like 795, and then we settled back around 640-ish at the end of the market close on yesterday, which was super great. It's holding steady despite all of the craziness that happened in the market. I'm talking about, I think my portfolio went down like more than 15-20% based on all the madness that was going on with Tesla and Apple, all of those people who pretty much hyped up the share price of that and pretty much started selling. And now those two tech companies, they don't realize the power in those two companies, how much a little dip in them can pretty much tank the whole market. But anyways, not to get too much on that, but the updates with tZERO, they sent out an email on Thursday night, or it was either Thursday morning, I can't remember. And it was very interesting that they are rolling out margin within the exchange. And I thought that was super cool because it's like, all right, they're rolling out margin. This gives little hints here and there that they're, getting closer and closer to the point where they're going to start merging over to tZERO markets, and that is going to be huge. So all of these hints and things like that, just pay attention to those. For anyone who doesn't know what margin is essentially when you can pretty much, based on the amount of money that you have or assets that you have in your brokerage account with tZERO, you would be able to borrow a certain percentage. Some people do 1x, 2x. It just depends on what brokerage you use or what exchange you use, that how much they allow you to borrow in margin. So say for example, if I had $1,000 worth of assets or $1,000 worth of tZERO digital security token, the exchange might come and say, hey, we'll match your $1,000 worth of assets with another $1,000. And so you would be able to borrow up to $1,000 and utilize that to invest. Now you have to be careful with margin, because there's also something called margin call, where it's essentially if your portfolio gets too low in value or is getting to the point where it's assumed too risky for the brokerage or the exchange, they can have a margin call on your assets and they can sell off your assets to protect that $1,000 that they let you borrow in margin. Now, some people allow you, or some brokerages allow you to borrow margin completely free as a way to get the attention and get things out there to pretty much give adoption to their platform. It's kind of like a promotional thing. I remember when I first started with Robinhood, they let people borrow margin for free, but then they soon switched it to like a fee based on the percentage of margin that you were borrowing. So I'm super excited for this when it comes to like tZERO. This just gives more proof that tZERO markets is near. I wouldn't be surprised if we got the approval before the year was out. I would hope to see it before the year is out, because that's when they're going to be able to take stocks, crypto, and digital security tokens and pretty much put all of this stuff and trade it within one exchange. And I think that's super huge. So just keep doing your research, keep checking out these videos. I posted the link with the description of the message or the PDF that the Dino exchange put out regarding the margin. So just read that in its totality and just think about, all right, they wouldn't be doing this for no reason. Like, you take an exchange that's just has digital security tokens on it. And I don't know necessarily if you're going to be able to use margin for crypto and digital security tokens, but I know margin is something that is widely used in the stock market. So that just gives even more proof with the market data. They put out like an additional spreadsheet that showed a whole bunch of ETFs and index funds. They produce this data that look at all of these like little things that are coming together, and eventually it's just like they're building and building on top of the platform, and eventually we will see the total market place very soon. I'm almost sure. Don't take my word for it, do your research, but I'm almost sure before 2020 is out, we should see it or have some news on when the marketplace is going to launch. I just don't think that they would be rolling out all of this stuff and not about to bring the tZERO markets into, like fruition. So anyways, guys, if you like this video, please remember to hit the like button, hit the subscribe button, and hit that notification bell so you can get all the latest and greatest videos from Ignorant Money Club. And we'll continue to push out any information that we have, any news that we find. I just want to get it out there to you all as quick as possible so you can stay updated, and this will help you in making a good decision with your investments. So that's all I had to say today, guys. I'm about to relax. Saturday, 3-day weekend. Just kind of chill out, enjoy myself. I got some work to do. But anyways, everyone be safe out there, and you all have a great weekend. Have a great holiday weekend.